Think your car is already smart? Think again. Today we're counting down 15 incredible Amazon car gadgets that can make every drive safer, cleaner, more comfortable, and way more convenient. From must-have tech to budget-friendly upgrades, these products deliver serious value. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so be sure to check them out before they're gone. Let's get started. What if one small device could protect you every time you hit the road? The VIOFO A229 Plus dash cam records crystal clear 2K footage from both the front and rear using advanced Starvis 2 sensors, so every important detail is captured day or night. Built-in GPS tracks your route, voice control keeps your hands on the wheel, and 24-hour parking mode watches your vehicle even when you're away. If you value safety and peace of mind, this is an upgrade worth considering. You'll find the purchase link waiting in the description below. Would this be the first gadget you'd install in your car? Still driving a car without Bluetooth? Here's an affordable solution that instantly modernizes your ride. The JOYROOM 81W Bluetooth FM transmitter streams wireless music, delivers crystal clear hands-free calls with dual microphones, and charges 2 devices at high speed with PD and QC fast charging. The deep bass mode and colorful LED lighting add even more enjoyment to every trip. It's a simple upgrade that makes older vehicles feel brand new. If you're interested, the product link has been included in the description. Could this be the upgrade your daily commute has been missing? Why spend hundreds replacing your factory stereo when you can transform your dashboard in minutes? This 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto display brings navigation, voice commands, music, messaging, and hands-free calling to almost any vehicle. It even includes a 1080p backup camera for easier parking and safer reversing. Installation is quick, making it perfect for older cars. Check the description if you'd like to grab one for yourself. Would you rather upgrade your car this way instead of replacing the entire stereo? Imagine knowing exactly what's wrong with your car before visiting a mechanic. The VDIAGTOOL VD10 plugs directly into your vehicle and reads engine fault codes, live data, and emission status within seconds. It helps identify problems early, check engine lights after repairs, and potentially save money on unnecessary diagnostics. Every car owner should have one in the glove box for unexpected situations. The direct product link is available in the description below. Have you ever wished you could diagnose your own vehicle at home? Want to give your car a premium custom look without spending a fortune? The Winzwon LED interior light kit lets you personalize your cabin with millions of colors, music sync lighting effects, adjustable brightness, and easy app control. The simple USB-powered installation works with most cars, making it a fun and affordable way to upgrade your interior. If you're ready to change the vibe of every drive, you'll find this gadget linked in the description. Which color would you choose for your car's interior first? Tired of your phone sliding around every time you make a turn? The AINOPE car vent phone mount uses an intelligent gravity lock system that automatically secures your device the moment you place it in the holder. Its upgraded 3-point vent hook keeps your phone stable even on rough roads, while the compact design doesn't block airflow or clutter your dashboard. If you rely on navigation every day, this simple accessory can make driving safer and more convenient. The product link can be found in the description if you'd like to check it out. Would this make your daily drives more comfortable? Every driver eventually faces a repair, adjustment, or emergency fix. That's where the Egofine 46-piece tool set comes in, packed with sockets, bits, extension bars, and a quick-release ratchet. This compact kit gives you the tools needed for countless automotive and household tasks. Built from durable chrome vanadium steel, it's designed to handle repeated use while staying organized inside its portable case. For the price, it's one of the smartest additions to any vehicle. If you want one in your trunk, you'll find the buying link below. What repair would you tackle first with this toolkit? Eating on the go doesn't have to be a balancing act anymore. The DYLEN car cup holder tray transforms a standard cup holder into a practical workstation and dining area. The rotating tray provides space for meals, snacks, phones, and everyday essentials while still allowing you to carry your favorite drink. Its adjustable base fits a wide range of vehicles, making it ideal for commuters, delivery drivers, and road trip enthusiasts. The access link for this product is waiting in the description. Can you see yourself using this during long drives? Long road trips with kids can quickly become challenging, but this gadget changes everything. The LISEN tablet mount securely attaches to your headrest and holds tablets, phones, and gaming devices at the perfect viewing angle. Its adjustable arm and 360-degree rotation make entertainment easy for passengers while keeping devices stable during travel. Whether it's movies, educational content, or gaming, this holder helps make every journey smoother and quieter. You'll find the product page linked below in the description. Would your passengers appreciate having this on your next trip? Sometimes the best upgrades are the ones that eliminate everyday frustration. The Autorder Center Console Organizer transforms the deep storage compartment in compatible Toyota Corolla models into a clean, organized space for keys, coins, cards, and other essentials. Its factory-style fit looks like it came straight from the manufacturer while making items easier to find when you need them. Simple, affordable, and surprisingly useful. It's a small change that improves your driving experience every day. The item link has been placed in the description for easy access. Is your center console currently organized or a complete mess? Why carry two separate tools when one powerful gadget can handle both jobs? The Winzwon 2-in-1 car vacuum and tire inflator combines impressive 12,000 pascal suction with a 150 psi air compressor, making it perfect for cleaning your interior and maintaining proper tire pressure. The cordless design, rechargeable battery, LED display, and multiple attachments make it an essential companion for everyday driving and emergency situations. If convenience matters to you, this gadget deserves a place in your vehicle. You can find the product through the link provided in the description. Would this replace multiple tools in your car? Nothing beats the feeling of driving a spotless car, and this kit makes professional detailing possible right at home. The Chemical Guys 17-piece detailing kit includes premium wash soap, interior cleaner, wool cleaner, microfiber towels, brushes, and everything needed to restore your vehicle inside and out. Instead of buying products individually, you get a complete cleaning solution in one package that delivers impressive results. If you love keeping your ride looking showroom fresh, this is an easy recommendation. The complete product information is available through the description link below. How often do you give your car a full detail? Stepping into a scorching hot car is never fun, especially during summer. The EcoNour windshield sunshade blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays while helping keep your cabin significantly cooler. It protects your dashboard, seats, and interior from fading and heat damage, then folds away neatly into a compact storage pouch when you're ready to drive. It's an inexpensive upgrade that protects your investment every single day. If you'd like one for your vehicle, the shopping link is waiting in the description. Would this become your everyday summer essential? Better visibility can make every drive safer, and this panoramic rearview mirror proves it. The 8 Sanlione clip-on mirror expands your field of view, reducing blind spots while giving you a clearer look at surrounding traffic and rear seat passengers. Installation takes only seconds without any tools, and the HD convex glass delivers a bright, distortion-free image. It's a simple upgrade that can boost confidence behind the wheel without spending much. If you're interested, the direct link is listed below in the description. Do you think wider visibility makes a noticeable difference while driving? Imagine getting into your car and having Apple CarPlay connect automatically without plugging in your phone. The CAENEEDER wireless CarPlay adapter converts your factory-wired CarPlay into a fully wireless experience within minutes. It supports navigation, music, calls, Siri, steering wheel controls, and touchscreen functions while keeping your dashboard clean and cable-free. It's one of those upgrades you'll appreciate every single day. If you're ready to ditch the cable, the product link is available in the description. Would you switch to wireless CarPlay after seeing this gadget? Those were 15 incredible Amazon car gadgets that can make your driving experience safer, smarter, cleaner, and far more enjoyable. Remember, every single product featured in today's video is linked in the description, so be sure to check them out before they're gone. Let me know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next collection of amazing Amazon finds.